This art project is inspired by Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi Kusama is a Japanese artist who is sometimes called the Princess of Polka Dots. Kusama does all types of art: paintings, sculptures, performances, and installations, and they all have one thing in common: dots. Some of her art pieces are so large that it takes up the whole room, and some of them are so big that it has to be outside. In this project, we're making one of her famous pumpkin sculptures covered in dots. This is what it looks like. Here are the things that we need. First, you need 1.5 sheets of paper. With the full sheet, cut it into strips. I cut mine into 1-inch strips, and I have just a little bit left over. With these 1-inch strips, you will need 6 of them. Taking each of the strips, draw in the polka dots. I'm using crayons, but you can use any medium that you want. The pattern that I'm doing is big and small polka dots. You can do any size polka dots that you want, or any color. Mine will have all different colors, but you can just do one color if you like. Now flip over all the strips and crisscross them like a snowflake. Since I want my pattern to be like a rainbow, I'm making sure that they're in order: purple, blue, green, yellow, and so forth. Again, you can do it any way that you like. Now that I have all my strips in place, I'm going to take some of them off, leaving 2, the one that goes up and down and left and right. I will glue these 2 first, and then glue the other ones on top of each other. Now we're going to glue the ends of the strips together. First, add glue to the ends of each strip. With the first strip, we're going to join them together. Then we're going to take strip by strip and add them on around the ball, around the pumpkin. For the last strip, you might want to add a little bit more glue since you can't stick your hand underneath and inside to press all the pieces together. Here I'm adding a little bit more glue and placing that last strip on top and lightly pressing it down without bending any of the strips of paper. So hold it in place so that it's secure. Now taking your half sheet, you're going to cut a piece off so that you have a square. And it doesn't have to be exact. And here's my square. Now I'm going to take all the colors that I put on my pumpkin and just draw lines all around my paper. If you only did one color, then of course you're going to scribble only that color on this square paper. Now taking the square, you want to use your finger, place it underneath. You're going to squeeze and crumple this paper around your finger. This will be the stem of your pumpkin. Now crumple it tight and shape it to how you want it to be. I will make my stem curve a little bit, so I'll bend it. And what you want is a flat bottom so it can be placed onto your pumpkin. Here I'm just pressing it against the table so it can be flat at the bottom. Once you're done with your stem, add some glue on the bottom and then also on the nicer side of your pumpkin. Place that stem on top of the pumpkin, hold it in place for a little bit, and then you're done. I hope you had a lot of fun doing this project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!